news. The internet has just been hacked offline. Nerds estimate that it will take up to 48 hours to fix this problem, and the police are already searching for the hacker.
What do you want?
I need help to find the hacker.
Okay, sure thing.
See you tomorrow. Will you help me find the hacker?
Sure! Let's get started.
Alright.
Nice house. Thank you. Hey, I have a couple questions for you. Do you know who hacked the internet? No. Are you sure? Yes. Did you even know that the internet was down? Yes, but I don't care. Get out. How rude! Goodbye. Hey! Stop! Hey, stop there! Stop! Did you know that the internet was down? No. Why would you ask me? Ask my sister. Okay. Hey, did you hack the internet? No, I was just studying for my finals, and now I have no internet. Okay, let's go, Sam. Sam? See ya. Sam! Get back here, you! You okay?
Get back here, you hacker!
Hacker! Stop it!
Get in there! Friggin' hacker! Breaking news. Samuel Taylor, chief of police, is found out to be the hacker who took down the internet for 48 hours. His reasons behind it are that he wanted kids to stop playing Fortnite and go outside for a change. He's now in jail and behind bars.
Yes.